Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I will give you the link of this premium preset. Please like this video and also subscribe the channel. The preset link is given in the description. The DNG file is protected by password. To get this preset, the password will appear at the upper right corner of the screen as a card, so please don't skip any part. First, import the preset and also the pictures, which you want to edit. To apply this preset on more photos, just simply click on the three dots in the upper right corner, and click on Copy Settings. Now, open another photo and again click on the three dots and then click on Paste Settings. And boom! This is the result. Here are some example photos before and after using this filter. Please, like this video and support my channel. To get this preset, the password will appear at the upper right corner of the screen as a card.